prepared is the song about Privorje. This week we have been walking around this place, and I think that children have learned a lot of new things, a lot of new words about animals, about farm. We were milking cows, we were raking grass and things like that, and I think I can say that they really enjoyed the camp. So please listen to this song.